and your family, or perhaps even your mates heading out on that yearly fishing trip, want to hit the road with no limitations, then the tent trailer could be the perfect option for you. Prices start at around $5,000 and the average is between $15,000 and $25,000. It sleeps up to 8 people, depending on the layout that you choose. There is a fixed bedding option, and then you've got the ability to throw portable beds in here. You can put swags on the floor, or even better, come out here, make the most of the annex, put your walls up, throw some swags out. The kids have got an area, and you've got an area. Perfect. In addition to the fixed bedding, most models come with standard kitchen slide out and awning, and there's optional extras that include additional storage, solar packs and bike racks. And as they're compact and low in height, once packed up, you can tow them with your basic sedan and SUV, and they're easily stored at home. Do your research and ask plenty of questions. Always discuss your intended use with your dealer to ensure it is capable of meeting your requirements and is fit for purpose. Our tip is to spend time with the dealer or manufacturer, discussing your needs, including where you intend on using the vehicle, highway touring, or a combination of sealed and unsealed. Recreational vehicle manufacturers must adhere to some of the world's toughest construction standards and are subject to over 100 Australian design rules, Australian standards and regulations. The industry is regulated by various state and federal government departments, agencies and regulators. One of the biggest bonuses of the tent trailer is the huge range that is available. So that means you can choose a model to take you anywhere you want to go, be that on-road or off-road or even extreme off-road. So you can go for a week, for a month, or even that dream trip for a year.